Nights like this I wish that raindrops would fall. Yeah. Nights like this I wish that raindrops come pouring down, down, down. For dear road.
Music on the track.
Nights like this I wish that raindrops would fall. Yeah. Nights like this I wish that raindrops come pouring down, down, down. For dear road.
Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We back up in this thing with another one, man. Yo, I hope y'all enjoyed that very, very special on feet, man. Yo, man, if you ain't figured it out by now, I absolutely love the Air Fear God 1 model, man. You know, super comfortable sneaker, super dope sneaker. You know, it fits my, it's been a while. You know, I'm a fan of the 750s. I've said in a couple of reviews that I did, on the sneaker period, man, that it's been a while since I've come across a sneaker, that definitely just fits my personality, with the functionality that goes along with it. The technology, it's just a brand new silhouette, man. And I'm just in love with that sneaker, man. We got the white one, the sale one coming out in a couple of days. It's just dope, man. Keep them coming. As many colors, as many as I can get. I need them things, man. You know what I'm saying? But we got the orange things. You kind of saw that on feet, man. Just a couple of quick things, just keep it short and sweet. Just the things that I thought was just special about the shoe, man. First and foremost, that orange that you thought, you look at the pictures, man. In some cases, they look like they're going to be a lighter shade of orange. Some cases, they look like they're a little darker, like straight up, orange, total orange, man. I'm here to tell you, these things kind of look closer to what the box looks like. A little different. I really love like just the translucent, kind of caging and the sole of that thing, man. When you put these guys in the sun, that really makes them really, really vibrant. You know what I'm saying? It's a very vibrant shoe. If I were to describe it to anything, for those of you who've seen the Red October Nike Air Yeezy 2s in person, where you can look at them online and they seem like more of a red, but when you see them in person, it's just much more of a vibrant, just different shade of red. That's the same way that I would describe, the Air Fear God 1s, man, in this orange colorway. Definitely not your traditional hard, true orange, but like, close enough, man. You get that feeling. When the sun hit them joints, it's just bright, man. It's just gonna slap you in the face, man. And so it's really, really dope. It's a really dope shoe, man. The lace locks, all the accessories, everything. You get an extra pair of laces. Matter of fact, hold on. Give me a second. All right, we back. So, like I was saying, in terms of just the accessories, you've seen the box a million times, man. Extra pair of orange, kind of peach orange laces. Which I need to go back and find that peach Complex Con RSVPT from a couple of years back. You know what I'm saying? With the peach kind of lace locks. I'll put those in the joint so y'all can see that, man. Of course your standard, hang tag, Air Fear God keychain joint. You know what I'm saying? And then of course, as I showed you on the shoe, You know, you have another set of these, which the actual top is peach, but then the bottom is clear. You know, simple. You know, let's put a couple of accessories. You know what I'm saying? Pretty dope. As far as the materials are concerned, so these were constructed a little different than the original two. So in the original two pair Air Fair God ones, those were, you know, constructed with, you know, on the black pair you got the mesh, but then at the toe box you have that premium suede leather, you know, down there. On the gray pair, of course, everybody know about now, those are completely leather, you know, full leather construction throughout the, you know, the shoe. But with these guys, there's no leather whatsoever. On the toe box, you have like this neoprene material that makes it really, that makes this probably the most functional pair out of all of them. Accompanied with that ballistic mesh in the same shade of color, man. So they still come with that $350 price tag. So you probably, you know, thinking like, damn, you know, where the fuck that money going? Why are we still paying $350 for a shoe that was made without the premium material?
Bruh.
You know, that's a question I got too. But, you know, it's Nike. It's all about consistency. That's what you come to expect from them. You know, but I mean, if I'm being completely honest, out of all the rest of them, so now if you've heard by now, the Air Fair God 1 is notorious for being extremely hard to get your foot in and out of. You know what I'm saying? But with these guys, it's been such a smooth experience putting these joints on like day and night compared to the other two pairs, man. So if that's what the new materials are going to do for the shoe, definitely knock it down a little bit more. But I appreciate the new, you know, actual functionality and comfort and ease, you know, in terms of just slipping this joint on and slipping it off. I've probably worn this particular Fear God just in a couple of days of having it more than I have any of the pairs that I have, man. So, you know, Nike, if you're listening, give us an all black joint just like this. You know, with the translucent sole, the translucent caging and all that with the black neoprene. You know, we got a winner. We got a solid one, man. I'm looking forward to them yellow ones because I just can't see them going back to the premium materials after they've done this. You know what I'm saying? But, I mean, that's really pretty much it about the sneaker, man. Y'all let me know in the comment box, man, how y'all feel about these. You know, they fly to me. You see how your boy doing it, cooking them up on the review. You know what I'm saying? As always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. It's pet number 3, baby. Gang, 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 gang. Yeah.
This Chicago.